Okay, well, I'm deciding to let Nolly and her little kid in and let them meet Snow and her little girls, because I think the little girls and the little boy need to make friends, and so we're going to have an encounter. No, honey, come here. She's not your mom, but come here. Look, there's little babies. Look at that. It's like the little guy isn't sure what to do, and Nolly's interested a little, but God, he's so cute. He's just like jumping around. He's interested in seeing what Mom was eating. And definitely playful. Yeah, I got one sleeping and one up. I thought it'd be interesting, but it's not yet. So I'll take some video when it becomes interesting.